I wonder if I can... I don't like that. Don't do that. Farts. Can you just go in the hole? Just go in the hole. There we go. And then... That was not what I wanted to do. Yes, please. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. No half measures this time. That's a ghost. Why is there a ghost? I oofed him apparently. It's all good. What is this? Power room. It's locked. It's fair. I wouldn't want people digging around in my power room either. Okay. Froggy boy! Yes, I wish to save. Thank you. It won't open. Hey! You spy someone through the crack. Hey! Over here! You look like a nice young man. Oh wait, this is an old dude, isn't he? Could you help me out? I'd really like to get out of here. Thanks. Take this. Receive the rusty key. I don't remember which guy this is. I found this on the floor. Go unlock the door with it, will ya? There's no keyhole. The door must be rusted shut. What? It's not the key to this room. Oh, that's just great. If there's no keyhole, then we'll just have to break the door down. Now, how would we do that? It's a good question. Totally and absolutely fair. Ah! What's this dude? Oh, he wakes up when you get close to him. I didn't notice that before. The fans are running. Someone's cut the power to this area. If you want to get them working again. Still a little bit Jersey there. You want to get them working again? You'll have to find the power room. Dude? Bro? Broy? Brosif? Oh, I'm being dumb. Okay, let's go to the power room, because I bet that's what that rusty key is for. Da, 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 da. I was right. Booyah! What's up with this guy? A robot? It doesn't seem to have any power. Fans are off. Melco is off? Is that what that said? Hold on. Melco is off. I don't know what that is. Set power to on. Yes, please. And now the robot is on. Hooray for the robot. And he's gonna oof me. Ah! Intruder alert! Commence destruction! Huzzah! Oh, it's Toaster Guy! Did you know that the Mimiga I found wasn't Sue? I don't remember exactly what his voice was. That's right! She wasn't. The doctor had a huge fit. Smacked Misery around pretty hard. Poor girl. Don't you think? But after all, we can't defy our master. So go with the rule. Anyway, I'm here to break you apart. Doctor's orders, of course. You ready? Oh, you don't get don't get a choice this time. Ah! Oh, you bit the big one. What are you? Fought off Balrog yet again. Because we are the queen. What's up with this guy? Its body has been smashed into the ground. Do you want to pull it back out? That? Thank you. You're a nice person. And so strong. Thank you for saving me. I'd like to pay you back somehow. But all I knew how to do is make explosives. The door's rusted and you can't get it open? What? A human is trapped inside? You truly are a good person. Understood. I'll make a wonderful bomb for you. We'll blow that door to smithereens. I'll need to collect bomb-making materials. Charcoal, jellyfish juice, gum base. I'll make your bomb as soon as you bring me all the materials. Wait, you didn't say that. You didn't say I had to do all the work, you dingus. Okay, whatever. I guess it's fine. No, bug off. You silly frog man. I guess you're just a frog. Okay, health and missiles refilled. Yeah, let's save. We're gonna shoot the frog again. Because that's how we do over here in the west. What? The west of what? I don't know. Don't think about it, it's not important. It's just gibberish coming out of my mouth. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. If I get the jellyfish juice, then I have to use it. Oh, no, I don't. Do I? Can I get back up there? From here. Yes, I can. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ha! Could you, like, stop? Yeah, stop, so I can shoot you! Ah! Stop it! I don't know why I got that at all. But I did. So thank you. It's like a Metroid. Open the treasure chest, got the jellyfish juice. Yay for me. Wait, I thought jellyfish juice was for putting out fires, not causing them. Whatever, what do I know? Let's go talk to the dude, I don't remember his name, but the guy back here. And see if maybe he has any of that stuff. Santa, that was his name. Hey Santa, you got gum? Or charcoal? You can take what's in my fireplace if you like. Hooray! Oh, I think the dude has the gum. The guy who we're saving. What do you need charcoal for? I'm gonna make this super sweet drawing of a jellyfish. Haha. Okay. Doing good. That was unpleasant. We got the jellyfish juice. Thought maybe I could jump over there. Clearly not. Like, straight to the top, not do like the little weird stutter jump that I have to do. I wonder, actually, now that I've said that... Ah! Donkus. I wonder if I can... I don't like that. Don't do that. Farts. Can you just go in the hole? Just go in the hole. There we go. And then... I feel like there's probably like an easy way to do this. And I just don't know what it is. Ah! No! We're gonna get there. 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 Why am I being so stubborn about this? Farts! Okay, that was just gross negligence. That's what that was. Okay, okay, okay. So now what we're gonna try to do is get over to that one to the right, the block to the right, and then jump up on top. And I don't know that that's possible, but we're gonna try it. Shut the front door! We did it, and then I... Stop it! Get in the hole! Oh, I almost, like, ran off the edge again, like, 3 different times. We got a life capsule. Our life increased by 5. Hooray for us. I think I needed more fanfare for that. Jeez Louise. Ah, no! I used the wrong gun. Let's see if What's-Her-Face has gum. I don't think she does, but we're gonna try. Choco. We're gonna save first. Yes, please. Oh, let's rest first, actually. I see. So you can use this to rest, but you're not gonna get your missiles back. That's the difference. Okay. Okay. So can I... Does that mean that I can't... That was unnecessary. Does that mean that I can't, like, collect them all? Does that mean that I have to get the gum separately from the charcoal? Well, no, because we got the charcoal and we got the jellyfish juice. So I think she just meant we can only get 1 jellyfish juice at a time. She said items, but that's kind of misleading. Always remember to jump over your ghost rings instead of flying directly into them. says so on the package. Let's go talk to this dude. I'll need you to collect bomb-making materials. Charcoal, jellyfish juice, and gum base. I'll make your bomb as soon as you bring me all the materials. Can't you just, like... Can I just leave them here? Whatever. I don't want this stuff in my pockets, is my thing. Like, yeah, I know you're doing me a solid, but, like... I also have charcoal all over my pockets. Like, that's not ideal. Booyah. Totally necessary. What? Explosives? Yeah, that could work. So you're collecting the materials. Wait, did you say gum base? Hold on a second. Here, take this. Received the gum key? What? It was hanging on the wall. It says gum on it. It's gotta be some connection. I'm depending on you, young man. That's a fun noise. Okay. I have a feeling this is going to be a completely different dude. Which I guess is fine. Farts. Then it's like unreliable narrator. Or I'm the narrator and I don't know what I'm talking about. What does Cthulhu have to say? Like, let me give you a tip. If you hold the jump button while a fan blows you around, you'll fly even higher, dude. So cool. Like, for serious. We did it. Hooray for us. Farts. Then we fell in the hole. Which is not what we wanted to do this time, actually. What is this stuff? Oh, we got stuff. Items for our, embetterment. There's not a word, pretty sure. Farts. That's just rude. Like, it's just rude to have that there. Come on. What are you doing, Chaco? I assume it's your fault. We opened the treasure chest and got the gum base. Hooray for us. Hang on. Okay. We got the gum base. And now we have to fight her. Oh. We meet again. Do you remember me? Indeed, in the Mimiga village. I hadn't noticed before, but... aren't you a soldier from the surface? I wasn't aware there was any left. Toaster guy. Misery? Watch out! That one's a fighter! Stronger than any Mimiga, even. You don't say. Ah! Soldiers are your duty. Come back when this one's in pieces. He's a giant frog dude? Get broke. Okay, so we have to wait until... Actually, it helps out a lot, if I'm being honest with you. I know that wasn't your intention, but it did help a lot. Thank you. And then Balrog ran away again. We fought off the Balrog. Whenever I see the name Balrog, I just automatically think of Balrog from Street Fighter. Just saying. Okay, do I have missiles? I have some missiles. Now we have some more missiles. I don't remember what's down, so let's look there. Something damaged me. I don't know what it was. I wish you could set it up so that they shoot each other. That would be fun. Oh, we can go in here. This is the execution chamber. Yep. That tracks. Can I... Yes! I did it, I did it. That's hooray, I got a life capsule. And now I'm at 20 hit points or whatever. Maximum. Oh man. Wait a second, what is up there? I did not see that before, my friend. What is that? Okay, so we can't land on the roof there. That's a bummer, but that's okay. This is a Grasstown hut. Open the treasure chest, got max missiles. We increased them by 4. Okay. Red petals lie scattered on the ground. Yeah, no, I know that. I was asking about the dude. Like, he is right next to his bed, I guess, but... Nothing. Okay. Don't know what the point of that was, but fine. The point was to explore! No! Poopy doops. Ah! That's also poopy doops, because that's not what I wanted to do, and I lost my things. Oh, that works out okay, actually. Oh, wait, no. No. I've seen this movie before. I'm gonna die, and I'm gonna regret not saving. Oh yeah, I have to go to the guy. The, robot. Have you found all the materials yet? Oh, the charcoal. Oh, the jellyfish juice. Oh, even the gum base. Then let us begin. It is finished. Why would you use a hammer on a bomb? That seems like a bad idea. We got the explosive. Ba-boom. Go on. Blow that door up. What else does he say? Go on. Blow that door up. We set the explosive. It is the dude. Okay. I don't know why. Why does he keep calling me a young man? Woohoo! You did it, my boy. I knew you could do it I knew you could do it the minute I laid eyes on you. God, I can't talk at all today. Good glab. Anyway, my name is Kazuma Sakamoto. You can call me Kazuma, that's fine. I was lucky enough to escape from the doctor. But unfortunately, my teleporter sent me here. I thought I was gonna starve. I owe my very life to you. Oh, by the way, you wouldn't happen to know the Mimiga village, would you? Why do I keep saying it weird? Mimiga village, not village. So? You've met Sue? Ah, I see. You came in Sue's place to find me. Alright then. Lead the way to the village. Huh? Oh, that's the old dude. Kazuma! Professor Booster! You're safe. Yes, more or less. And how is Sue? Is she alright? She's at the Mimiga village. This young fellow was just about to guide me there. Huh? Oh, do you two know each other? No. No, we've never met. Never mind. We must hurry to find Sue. The doctor has begun gathering the Mimigas. Mimigas? Mimigas, because it kind of sounds like Amiga? Whatever. It seems he has become aware of the red flowers. But Sue, will the red flowers affect Sue as well? Just like the other Mimigas? Kazuma! The doctor has begun gathering the Mimigas. You know what that means, don't you? You mean the war. Precisely! We have no choice now but to stop him. Stop him? But how? I have an idea. For now, let us hurry to where Sue is. We'll talk then. You too, come along. Oh, we got the thing. Cool. I feel like that could have been there to begin with, but whatever. What? It was literally just working. Whatever. So then, young man, can you lead us back? Kazuma? Yes, sir? Can you operate that? That? Believe I can. And that's how Quote died. It won't stop! Okay, well, you're going the right general direction, so I think you'll be okay. Well, that was an idea. Why am I going this way? This is not how we get home. Well, let's go talk to the robot, see what he has to say about my blowy uppy. Come and visit again. That's not the voice. Come and visit again sometime. I'd offer you some tea, but this room is not hospitable for human beings. So no tea. It's pretty much all we need. Just some tea. Food, companionship, sanitation, these are all just distractions. We just need some tea. Okay. Okay, so hear me out. We're gonna get some more jellyfish juice because there is another fire in Mimiga Village. I think that's the first time I've ever killed that thing without getting hit. Well done. Ah! Too annoyed by the thing. The cursor! It keeps showing up on my screen. The motorbike Kazuma was driving. It's not looking so hot anymore. Was it looking hot before? I guess it was a sexy machine. If you're going ahead, watch out for those power critters. When they land on you, it hurts. I already did that one. This is Santa's house. Yes. We got the jellyfish juice. We don't want to use it here. We want to use it in Mimiga. Yes, I want to go to Arthur's house. What a silly question. So this guy, he's like sort of like next level anime boss, like Gohan. No, Vegeta? Vegeta. Maybe? I don't know. So, we're weapons? That's right. Doctor wants to use the red flowers to make you attack the humans. Why does he want that? That man is like a demon. And he's going to use those flowers on Toroko? As far as I can tell, he's still looking for them. Can only hope he doesn't find them. If he finds those flowers, Toroko, she would go wild. A weapon of death. I'll never allow that to happen. And I should... Well, it's not me yet. Oh! Are you okay? My life flashed before my eyes. Kazuma! And Professor Booster! Oh! You're alright then. Well, more or less. Who's that, Mimiga? That's King. A friend of mine here in the village. There used to be tons of Mimigas here. Nearly all of them, though, have been kidnapped by the Doctor's goons. Even King has lost friends. Talk to this guy. Thanks for your help. Our transportation didn't really survive, but at least we did. The Doctor's plans are proceeding exactly on schedule. If we don't do something soon... Welcome back! Looks like I owe you another one. With my brother's help, we should be able to get around the password for that egg. Booster, can we take this little guy with us when we go? Wait, what little guy? Me? Are they talking about me? Professor. Huh? Sue, my dear. We have to suspend our escape. The Doctor has located the red flowers. Huh? What? While he has not yet acquired them, it is only a matter of time. The location is in the Sand Zone. The flowers are apparently to be found somewhere in the Sand Zone. The Sand Zone? The Sand Zone? The Sand Zone? Yeah, the Sand Zone. I don't know who that middle voice was. You mean... that's where we'll find the Doctor? Well, more likely one of his servants. If we don't destroy those flowers before they get their hands on them. However, the Sand Zone is exceedingly dangerous. Even supposing we made the trip, there's no guarantee that we would return alive. You're giving up? Actually, there's one of us who's a perfect match for this job. It's you. Who is he? In fact, this is one of the armed scout robots that were dispatched to this island
10 years ago.
A robot?
My impression was that they had been completely wiped out, but I do not know the particulars. It's entirely possible that one of them could have...
Professor, I've connected to the sand zone.
I see. You are the most suited to exploring this island. Please, give us your aid.
Talk to King real quick, because I like doing his voice.
The Sand Zone.
The sand zone? The sand zone?
The Sand Zone.
Okay, we're gonna do the jellyfish juice thing first. So I don't remember exactly where it is. I don't think it's here, but we're gonna look. This is right here. Yeah. This is a shack. Even worse off than it was before. Unfortunately. I don't wanna talk to him no more. So I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Awesome. Yes, please. What did I get? The bubbler! Ooh, the bubbler's fun. Oh, that's the fire one. Oh, no, we want to talk to Jack. Tariko's brother Arthur fought against a horrific red monster. The terrible demon of this island that feasts on mimigas. It's not the doctor, it's something else. That demon has lived on this island for ages. It came here to the village, but Arthur single-handedly drove it back. His gallant figure alone shielding our village from harm. I'll never forget it, as long as I live. He may finally have been killed by the doctor, but he was a true hero. Ugh, I pinched my nose for that. I'm regretting it. Now my nose feels weird. Can I go in here? No, I cannot. The game's just like, why would you want to do that for? What the... I didn't know you could do this. Or perhaps more appropriately, I forgot I could do this? Something's written here. So long as you retain your spirit of exploration, surely you shall find your way out. This, I believe. Okay, cool. Neato mosquito. Let's go talk to this guy. Oh, let's save real quick so we don't lose our progress. So we're gonna try and focus on... We're gonna use the fire thing so we can get that to top level. And then we'll use the bubbler to get that to the top level. I don't remember this zone. Oh! I forgot there was another robot. Thank you, I guess, but also that's not what I want right now. I want potato chips. Doritos. Shoot, now I want potato chips. Oh, for crepes all Friday. Oh, it has to fill back up. I see. Okay, this is clearly not the best place to be doing this, so we're gonna stop. We're gonna pretend for a moment that we actually know what we're doing. Ooh, it's a boa. Sand zone residence. Ah! Oh. We have a... She's gonna be Valley Girl. A little bit Valley Girl. We have a visitor. I know what it is you're looking for, but wake up. Mimigas aren't your enemies. Mimigas are harmless. Too bad for you, but I'm on their side. You're going down. Ah! Okay, I don't know why I'm doing this, because, like... There we go. I oofed. Yes, please. Let me retry. Ooh, good. That means all the levels that I lost are back. Oh no, I don't want to go to the egg corridor. Okay, let's try again. Yes, I know, it's that lady. Why am I doing this? This is taking so freaking long. Stop it. Okay. Is there like a save point nearby? Because I don't want to go through that again. Okay, we're just gonna go back. I was hoping there would be like a save spot that I could go to real quick. Clearly that not. So let's go fight. Ah! Oh! We have a visitor! I know what it is you're looking for, but wake up! Mimigas aren't your enemies. Mimigas are harmless. Too bad for you, but I'm on their side. You're going down, Charlie Brown. Boom diata, second try, got victory. Brr! You win. Can't fight anymore. Suppose you're gonna kill all the Mimigas, just like the other robots? No, dummy. Oh! Oh! You're with the Mimigas too? That's right, there's nothing bad about them. I'm Curly. Curly Brace. I love that name. When I woke up, I was with these children. I don't have any memories before that. Amnesia, you might say? I was probably a Mimiga butcher just like the other robots. Oh, wow! That polar star of yours is in awful shape. Do you want to trade it for my machine gun? Sure. Yeah, but this is, like... Okay. It's the humans who are the real bad guys, guys. The Mimigas were just used by them. What's up, puppy? Arf. Yes, please. Can I ask for the polar star back? Apparently not. That's okay. Yeah, I should have stuck with the polar star. Lesson learned. Not realizing that it would be more helpful for me to level up my machine gun. Farts. Sorry, suddenly got very, very focused on what I was doing. My sincerest apologies. Okay, so what's up next? I don't need a heart. Oh, there's a save spot up there. Is it just a save spot? Yeah, looks like it. That's okay. It's helpful. And I ain't gonna... I should mess with you, actually, because then I can level up my gun. And we like doing that. We like leveling up our gun. I don't believe that I'm ever gonna level up my bubbler. Kind of seems like that's the sitch anyway. Blart. Double blart. Come on. Ugh. Apparently I've suddenly forgotten how to play this game, so that's fun. Can you just not? I don't think that I can get in there any other way. Into that top thing, I should say. See? Here we go. Farts! Oh, who are we fighting? I see Balrog failed in his duty. You look like quite a fighter. But at this juncture, you're proving yourself rather a nuisance. Shall we settle this? No, there's no need for me to get involved. I don't remember how to fight this guy. That's kind of an issue. Oh, well, that works. I suppose. Bro! So clearly this is the play. Use the fire thing. Boom! Yes. We defeated Omega. Kenny? Omega? That was dumb. Okay, what's going on, buddy? What's going on? Oh, I see. So then it goes under after we've shot him. Ugh. And I'm not going to get them because they're going to go away. They're going to disappear by the time I get there. Farts! Especially if I behave like this. Ooh, I did... My bubbler is currently a higher level than my machine gun. I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense. I haven't been using the bubbler as much. Okay, could you stop hitting me? Like, I know that's your job, but it's really annoying. What? What just happened? Oh! Oh, those are spikes. I thought they were grass. I think I have to fight the thing again. Shoot. Okay. Yes, but we know the cheat code now, so like we should be doing gangbusters. There we go. We leveled back up. Okay. I suppose we don't really have to do this part, but it does make my life easier during the boss fight. Can I defeat this guy with the bubbles? I can! And I get like 3 chips or whatever. Whatever. And you leveled up though. Cool. I see Balrog flailed blah ba doo ba doo ba doo ba da ba da ba. No, I'm not gonna fight. 'Cause I'm a big wimpy baby. Like, it feels like a cheat code. I don't care. We defeated Omega again! And we lost all of the... The spell on the Sunstones has lifted. I didn't know that's what we were doing? But okay. Neato. Oh, I took him out? Oh, I see, because it has the skulls. That means that oofed somebody. Why is it not giving me chips? It gave me chips last time. Yeah, like that, see? I forgot about the spiky grass again. Go me. I like that he came out and he's like, oh, nope, 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 nope. He like scurried back away as soon as he saw the fireballs. This is the only one. Oh, farts. I was about to say, this is the only one that doesn't have full levels. And now it's even worse than it was a second ago when I said that. Come on, baby boy. I'm gonna whoop ya. We got a life capsule. Go us.